Hello everybody, welcome to Real and Virtual Outdoors. On today's episode, we're going to do a little cooking video. I do not know what you call this, so I'm going to call this the hash brown surprise. Let's take a look at the ingredients. So we have some hash browns, just basic hash browns. We're going to put some cheese on this and one whole onion, and we have some Eckrich turkey sausage. I like the Eckrich turkey sausage because it's a little less greasy than the regular sausage, and we're just going to salt and pepper it. We're going to put part of this together, then we're going to come back and show you in parts, and then we're going to put this in the oven with cheese on it and melt it, and it's going to be good. Okay everybody, we're back on the hash brown surprise. We've got the onions, and they're underneath the hash browns, cooked a little bit. We're going to cook these potatoes down. We use about half a bag of that. Hash browns, pretty good sized bag. We're going to cook this down a little bit, see if we need to add more potatoes. And we're going to put in 2 links of sausage, and we'll come back and show you before we put it in the oven. Okay everybody, we've got the potatoes cooked down a little bit. We've got the sausage in there. We're going to add a good amount of cheese. We're going to put the cheese on it and show you that before it goes in the oven. And then after it's cooked for about 10 minutes on 375, just let the cheese melt and maybe get a little crisp on top, it'll be ready to come out. We'll check back. All right everybody, we got it covered with a good amount of cheese, and we're going to put it in the oven and let it cook about 10 minutes, and then we come back, we'll show it to you. If you're using an electric oven, you better watch it. Sometimes you might burn the cheese. Some of these ovens cook hotter than others. All right, here she goes. Okay, it's out of the oven. 10 minutes later, we have good melted cheese on top, hash browns, there's some turkey, Eckrich sausage, and onions in there. And this is going to be a good meal. And this is something low cost, easy to fix, and kind of filling too. I hope you enjoyed this video, and you'll consider subscribing to my channel, Real and Virtual Outdoors. There'll be some more cooking videos later. Give me a comment if there's something you'd like to see me do or try to do. I'll try to do that. Thank you for being part of the Real and Virtual Outdoors family, and have a good day.